Hi, I'm Daniel from Kunini. Today we're going to do some questions and answers. Today we're going to give you 5 top reasons why you should choose Kunini to be your solar supplier. Number 1, Kunini is an established company. We set up Kunini in 2002 and we started installing solar rooftops in 2010. Our first solar install for the rooftops was in 𝗬𝘀𝘀𝗶𝘀 and we've basically been doing that all over Thailand since 2010. So Kunini is an established and an experienced company. Reason number 2, Kunini designs all of its systems to be tailor-made to the customer's wants and needs. We start that off with a consulting with the customer directly, and then we go out and do a solar survey, and then we design a system based on the customer's requirements and needs. Reason number 3, Kunini uses its own in-house teams. This is engineering, administration, support, etc. We train them to a specific standard. This ensures that all of our systems get installed correctly and to code. Reason number 4, Kunini has its own customer service department. You'll be able to contact us during normal working hours through line official, through email or through telephone. You'll be able to contact our team in English or Thai, and they'll be able to help you out with your inquiry or your request, whether that's a service call out or just a question about your system. Kunini is there to help and support you. Reason number 5. So I encourage you to take a look at our reviews on social media, Facebook, Google. Our customers are saying a lot of positive things about us and the things that they like the most. So you can see on there that a lot of positive comments revolve around our quality of service, our teams, how clean we are when we work, and more importantly, the results that they're getting from their system.